Good morning. I'm working in the greenhouse today getting these pole beans started up twine, and I've got some news for the channel that I wanted to share with you. I'm going to, during the garden season, continue to try to upload a little bit longer video at least once a week. There's a lot of stuff that I do out here, or tools and tricks that I use, that I can cover in a quick and short video. I'm going to start trying to do that midweek, upload a video with some type of a tip, planting instructions for specific plants, show you tools that I use that I find to make my job easier. They're going to be quick, short, and to the point. Something new that I'm also excited about. My wife is a sign language interpreter, and I have asked her to start interpreting videos for me. So when I do my uploads, there's going to be two videos. One of them is going to be the standard video, which will do a little better job of giving details. There will be a second one where my wife will be screen in screen, and she's going to interpret my videos for the deaf community. We should get started on doing those this week. We should start doubling up our uploads this week, so look for a short video on Wednesday. Well, this will be the short video for this week probably, and each week thereafter, so long as we've got something going in the garden. When the fall gets here and the garden slows down, those will probably stop. Let me know what you think about the idea of interpreting these videos for the deaf and hard of hearing folks, and if you have any ideas on what you would like to see me show you in a quick video each week, share that in the comment. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening.